Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
E rera atu taku pōhere kia koutou e whakarongo maina e Mātakitaki maina I ngā kāinga puta noa I te motu. Hastings will have the kickoff. And straight away the fullback there for Silverstream, St. Pat's. I think this is only the second time Silverstream have been this close to Hastings Boys High School try line, and they will get a penalty. Tiariki Joseph there trying to get it out as fast as possible, looking to the left. JJ Lilo Iosefo, this is also the captain for Hastings Boys High School. Passes it into PJ PV once more. They're inches away from the try line. Can they get it over? Pana Papaya there being a support for his player. And they still have the ball. I think this is like the 6th or 7th phase now. Throwing it out to JJ Lilo Iosefo, the captain of Hastings Boys High School. How did he get to the left wing so fast? I think that's Rafe Robinson that's acting as a halfback. Lockie Varco passes it to Vincent Kite. Collect it and go. But I think I don't know, it's not turned over. Oh, what a strong player he is. Number 4 for Hastings Boys High School, Eli Southwick. Silverstream here with a rolling ball, and they do score their first try off the match in the first 4 minutes of the second half, as Hastings Boys High School make their way to Silverstream's 22. This is Vincent Kite. Vincent, who passes it to JJ. He is also the captain of Hastings Boys High School. Passes it to Tana, who then passes it to Triumph Voice. Hastings Boys High School with their throw-in. Bit of a rolling more we're seeing here by Hastings Boys, and it is a try. Who had the ball? We've seen a few changes too to Silverstream. I think that's Jordan Russell there. Yeah, it is Jordan Russell. Zach McGurin in jersey 18. We've got 17 on. Taylor Moananu. And Jordan Russell there, number 19. Fresh legs. Can the fresh legs get that ball over the try line? Inches away, centimetres away. What defence we're seeing here by Hastings Boys High School. Little inside step by Ashton Steer. What a game this is. You can just feel the intensity of this match. Fletcher Cooper here. He's been playing really well. Oh, can they stop him? No, they can't. Ruatiko, ki te ruatiko, ngā tatauranga. Ka reo I te mōhio, hea ngā whakaritinga I tēnei wā. But it is 20 to Silverstream, 20 to Hastings Boys High School. What a match. And this, the top 4 rugby first 15 Hurricanes semi-final.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.